Hi guys, so today we will be discussing about checkbox. So checkbox allow the user to select multiple options from a set by toggling it on or off. So let's start the basic properties. Using the namespace material checkbox right here. So we need to define the text and also the default value. So if I don't set the default value, it should be false by default, so it will not be turned on. And then you can also do it in Java code, so you can just inject the UI field, um, yep, UI field there, and then go to the UI by Java. So here you can just and then on attach, so you can just set value to true. Okay, yep, so you have there. And also what you can do is you can just add a value change event. So what you can do is either you have to annotate it via UI handler, or you can just manually um, add a Java code, add value change event or handler on the Java. I will show you that later on. So let's start it by using the UI bundler. Oh, sorry. Okay, then I can just toast it event that get value. So okay, so let's refresh the page now. Yep, so as you can see now, so if I change it, so false, value, and true, that's the value. Okay, and then you can also do it upon onload. So here we have a set value. What you can just do is there's a second parameter called fire events, so that you set the value and then you fire an event, and this one will be catch. So let's refresh the page. Yeah, so you have there, so that's the first initial value change event from onAttach. Next thing is we will also discuss the get value. So I'll just register a material button text get value right here, and then you can just add a UI field get value right there, and let's register it here. So using UI handler, so we have get value void get value click event, and then what you can just pass on is the checkbox, and then add get value right there. So this will be the value. You can just wrap it into a material toast get value. Okay, so let's refresh the page. Yeah, so we have that get value. So once we click, we have the get value triggered right there, and then we have also false get value. Yep, so that's it. And then next thing is you can just also enable or disable the checkbox by adding a enabled false right there. Yeah, so you cannot change it. Okay, so that's the overview of Material Checkbox. I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial today.